cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar, he has also a guru. He taught us like that how to play. So that is a very biggest role our life. Any particular person. So don't become arrogant and don't show yourself as a more confidence and overconfidence person. Confidence is very good things. If you do hard work for any kind of work, so definitely you gain the confidence on that.
We are meeting
Okay.
after a long time. So please introduce
Yeah.
yourself again for my
Yeah.
view.
Thank you for that. Okay. So, as you know, my name is Nazia. I am from Chhindwara, city of Madhya Pradesh. If we talk about my qualifications, so I am Bachelor of Commerce, Master of English Literature, and Bachelor of Education. And apart for that, I am a mother of two kids. And if we talk about my hobby, so I love to reading books, watching some different content regarding to motivational video like that. And this is and take caring of my family and spending my time with them. And nowadays I am working at YouTube, so I am a YouTuber too. So my YouTube channel name is English with Nazia. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Do you want mine? So today we will do an activity. Are you ready for it?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I will narrate a story, and after that you will tell me any moral of the story from that story.
Moral of the story. Okay.
Yes. Whatever you
Okay.
learn from this story, you can narrate.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm
So
ready.
once upon a time, there was a village. In that village, there was a boy. Boy name was Arjun. Arjun was very good swimmer, but he was also thinking, okay, I'm very good in swimming. No one can beat me. All the neighbors, friends always praised him. Arjun, you are very good in swimming. Over time, he became arrogant. After some time, an old man challenged him. Can you do a swimming competition with me? Without a second thought, he agreed, yes, I can do. Because he was thinking how this old man can beat me, how this old man can defeat me. Then that old man said, okay, there is a village in my, there is a river in my village, so we will do the competition on that river. But first, I am telling you, the flow of the river is very strong. The current of the flow of that river is very strong. So you should be careful. So he ignored his advice. He was just thinking, I can do everything. After some time, the competition was started. Arjun, without thinking the flow of the river, he dived into that river. But after some time, he was realizing the flow of the river was very high and very strong current. He was not able to swim. Then the old man was watching his activity. He just realized, oh, he's going to sinking in the river. Then he uh, gave him a rope. After the help of the rope, he come back from the river. Then he was very thanked for the old man who had saved his life. Then the old man said, confidence is very good thing, but overconfidence sometimes it can create some dangers for us.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about overconfidence?
Okay. So this is a very nice story. You narrate very good manner. So I also personally I learned so many lessons from your study, from your story. So moral is that story don't feel like that I am enough good. So no one is perfect all over the universe. Only one except one, that is our God. Every person is imperfect. So we are doing, we are human being. That's why we think we do lots of hard work, any skill, any particular skills. It's okay. We become very good that particular skill, and we become master. Maybe it is possibility if you do your hard work over there. It is doesn't mean for that you are a very smarter and greatest one.
Hmm.
Maybe there will be someone who will be good better than you. So if for example, if I will take any cricketer like Sachin Tendulkar, he has also a guru. He taught us like that how to play. So that is a very biggest role our life any particular person. So don't become arrogant and don't show yourself as a more confidence and overconfidence person. Confidence is very good thing if you do hard work for any kind of work, so definitely you gain the confidence from there. But confidence means that is you just and the learning, you just think like that there is no need for learning, I am become very superior, so that is not good for yourself. So definitely someone is here, you will beat you, defeat you, because everyone is has a different quality. So just work on yourself every day. Don't think yourself I become master
Yes,
and a perfect person.
yes.
So
Time to time, we should upgrade our skills.
correct. Every day, every single hours, I can say. We are learning this language, so we know what is the mean of updating ourselves day to day.
Hmm. Now I'm giving you two real examples.
Mm-hmm.
There was a company Nokia. Do you know Nokia phone?
Correct. I know.
In 2000, it was very famous phone because of their features, and it was very
Features.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
has a strong body also. That phone has a
Mm-hmm.
strong body. But
Correct.
after some time in the market, there were some smartphones also. But Nokia company was just thinking, okay, mostly clients love my phone. They will
Mm-hmm.
only
Mm-hmm.
take my phone. They have not upgraded their qualities. After some
Mm-hmm.
time, it was fully vanished from the market.
Correct.
And the second example is Titanic. Have you heard about Titanic ship?
Yeah, correct. Everyone know about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
In 1912, this ship was traveled from England to
Mm.
America. That
America,
time
right.
he believed. The
Mm-hmm.
engineers said him, they always think this ship is unsinkable. It never
Yeah.
can sink in the ocean. They were
Yes.
very overconfident. Because of overconfident, they didn't take. Uh, there are some life boats also available. They didn't take plenty of life boats. So in that ship, there were 1,500 passengers also. They were very confident. They had given so many warnings. You should stop your journey, but they never stopped. And after some time, that ship was, stuck in an iceberg, and then it sank in the ocean. It was
Mm-hmm.
a massive disaster.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that is the
Over.
reason should all.
Yeah, they make us sad like no one can sing this, ship. No one can. So
Mm,
maybe it was a arrogant type of answer. This is,
mm,
some is, I think so. There is some power. He control everything. So
mm.
don't say
Yes.
single word like that. Just you are just a creature like a human being. So we don't have that much courage and everything, which we like think like that, and we can say like that I am the best. So no one can be the best. Every single time you have to work on yourself, then you can achieve then you can achieve. And there are so many area and type of for your working, so don't make yourself overconfidence. Confidence is very important, but I think so that people are confident, they have a something, that quality inside of their heart, and they did something good, then they having the confidence. Overconfidence, they people that didn't do that kind of hard work and they thinks I am the best, they
Mm.
so they're like
They
that.
sometimes they ignore the advice also.
Yeah, correct. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So like you have very small kids. How did you manage?
It is very difficult to me managing all the things every day, every single day. I'm thinking, kept on thinking. Today I will talk someone, two and three conversation every day, but I am not doing my conversation to everyone because of my kids. But it is very little bit of panic to me, and something to not I am not doing something good, but it is okay, because
Mm,
it is not easy to raising the kids in a proper
mm,
manner. But still
yes.
we are having a time for our conversation, so that is very productive thing. So sometime I appreciate myself, sometime I do complain myself, because I have to take the time, at least 1 hour hours every day for my conversation. So
But
yeah, that's
sometimes sometimes it is very difficult to manage
very
with the
difficult.
small kids.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Hmm.
Now he
So,
become, now his brain is becoming like working extra. See, he's watching everything and want to do same thing. So
hmm,
in this way, I have to, take care of in a proper manner and give my full of attention to him.
hmm,
Today he just closed his himself in a drawers, and I was just searching here and there, and with the panic I thought, shouted, where are you, where are you? He's never just keep quiet. He's just closed himself, and just so that was a very dangerous condition to me. I thought I have to full of concentrate over him. So
hmm.
yeah, it is my daily routine nowadays. So this is a very big challenge and big responsibility I have to carry.
Yes, raising kids really it's a very difficult task for every mother.
Yeah,
But when they will grown up child, then you know remember that past days.
yeah, correct.